What's up, guys? We're going to showcase our tornado interceptor. So this is my brother's new one. As you can see, it looks pretty cool. Looks awesome. Then we have his biggest one. Have anything to say about your cool creation that is big?
Yeah. It kind of looks like Frankenstein. As you can see, it does. It can support up to 2 bricks. But this is the heavier one, so I'm just going to put it on there.
See, it can support the heaviest brick.
And the lightest brick.
Doesn't even have a scratch. As you can see, no scratch but some dust and some pieces.
Door.
Has a door.
Battery's gonna go in there. We're for some lights.
Yep. Open it up so I can check it in. He said the battery was gonna be where's the opening? Right, bro. Where's the opening? Okay, right in there. Like somewhere like over there in that corner. And then she's gonna have some lights in the front and some lights in the back, I guess.
Yeah, these are just colored
He
paper.
added some seats inside. Probably some ants in there.
Yeah.
Probably. And then we have his over this one. That kind of got destroyed. As you can see. But it is perfectly fine and amazing.
Then we have
My new improved, which is not better than the biggest one, but it is similar. Well, it's not similar. It's like kind of close. Probably like 200, probably like 50 points away from being equal. So this one deployed. I'm going to showcase the deploying system. And this one deployed right here. Does kind of move, but it's still good. This one right here definitely doesn't move. Doesn't even move at all. This one isn't even deployed. Well, yes it is. It is deployed. It's going to deploy it even more.
it doesn't have, when it was new, it had some back X spikes.
As you can see, there's was some back X spikes. I need this brick. There is some
right
back
here.
X spikes.
There used to be some back X spikes, but now they're gone.
Now we're going to showcase the deployment. Barely even moves. Still pretty good. Just kind of goes up a little. And then we have mine.
Deploy.
You have to deploy it though.
Wait, this is actually really easy to deploy in the ground. This is way too easy. You barely have to push. And it's good.
Okay, so now mine.
It barely moved when you push the stick on it in the front, but now it doesn't even move at all.
Doesn't even move at all. That's my first ever one. If y'all say in the comments it's not, it is. You can even ask Smiley Boy.
Yeah, it is.
Well, that will be the end of the video. We will end it off with a little beat drop. So, let's get into that beat drop. Boop, boop, boop. Beep, beep, beep. Bye guys, JT. Ow, he just stabbed me with a knife. Bye guys, JT-beyblades out. I don't care, it's still a knife. Bye guys, JT-beyblades out.